Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income by promoting products or services that resonate with your audience. However, merely joining an affiliate program isn't enough. You need to strategically promote your affiliate links to drive traffic and conversions effectively. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to promote your affiliate links, helping you maximize your earnings. Step number 1. Leverage content marketing. Content marketing is a cornerstone of successful affiliate link promotion. By creating and sharing valuable, relevant content, you can naturally incorporate affiliate links and drive organic traffic to your offers. Here's how to leverage content marketing effectively. Focus on value. Start by identifying the needs and pain points of your target audience. Create content that addresses these issues, offering solutions, insights, or guidance. High-quality content that genuinely helps your audience will build trust, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links. Incorporate affiliate links naturally. Rather than pushing your affiliate links aggressively, weave them into the content naturally. For example, if you're writing a product review, mention your affiliate product as a recommended solution. The key is to avoid being too salesy. Your audience should feel like you're offering a helpful suggestion rather than a hard sell. Use storytelling. Engage your readers by telling a story that resonates with them. Whether it's a personal experience, a customer success story, or a hypothetical scenario, storytelling can make your content more relatable and memorable, increasing the likelihood that readers will follow your affiliate links. Optimize for keywords. Research and incorporate relevant keywords into your content to improve its visibility in search engine results. Concentrate on long-tail keywords that are more specific to your niche and face less competition. For example, rather than aiming for best laptops, consider focusing on best laptops for graphic designers. Structure your content. Use headers, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make your content easy to read and navigate. This not only improves user experience but also helps search engines understand the structure of your content, boosting your chances of ranking higher. Build backlinks. Increase your content's authority by earning backlinks from reputable sites in your niche. This can be achieved by guest posting, creating shareable infographics, or collaborating with other bloggers. Experiment with different formats. Broaden your scope to include more than just text-based content. Explore other formats such as videos, infographics, podcasts, and even webinars. Different formats appeal to different segments of your audience, and diversifying your content can help you reach a broader audience. Repurpose content. If you've created a successful blog post, consider turning it into a video or an infographic. This not only extends the lifespan of your content but also allows you to tap into new audiences who may prefer different content formats. Develop content with lasting relevance. Develop content that maintains its significance over an extended period. Timeless content, including instructional articles, industry standards, or detailed product evaluations, will consistently attract traffic and engagement long after its initial release. By leveraging content marketing effectively, you can create a steady stream of organic traffic to your affiliate links. The key is to focus on providing real value to your audience, optimizing your content for search engines, and diversifying your content formats to reach as many people as possible. Step number 2. Utilize social media platforms. Social media platforms offer a powerful avenue for promoting affiliate links, providing access to vast audiences and diverse engagement opportunities. To effectively leverage social media for affiliate marketing, follow these strategies. Identify your audience's preferred platforms. Start by researching where your target audience spends most of their time online. Different demographics favor different platforms. Instagram and TikTok are popular among younger users, while Facebook and LinkedIn cater to older, more professional audiences. Understanding this will help you focus your efforts where they're most likely to succeed. Tailor your content to each platform. Each social media platform has its unique culture, format, and audience expectations. For instance, Instagram is highly visual, so high-quality images and short videos work well, while Twitter favors concise, punchy text. Tailor your affiliate promotions to fit the style and format of each platform, ensuring your content feels natural and engaging. Consistency is key. Regular posting is crucial to maintaining visibility and engagement on social media. Develop a content calendar to plan and schedule your posts in advance, ensuring a consistent presence across platforms. Consistent engagement will help build a loyal following, increasing the chances of your affiliate links being clicked. Interact actively. Social media is a two-way street. Interact with your audience by replying to their comments, addressing inquiries, and joining in on conversations. Active engagement not only builds trust but also encourages more interaction with your content, increasing the visibility of your affiliate links. Use interactive features. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook offer interactive features such as polls, quizzes, and live videos. These tools can be used to create engaging content that encourages participation. For example, you can host a Q&A session where you discuss and recommend products, subtly incorporating your affiliate links. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your followers to create and share content related to your niche. User-generated content not only fosters community, but also provides you with authentic content that you can share on your own channels, often leading to higher engagement rates. Increased discoverability with hashtags. Hashtags are a powerful tool for increasing the visibility of your posts. Research and use relevant, trending hashtags in your niche to reach a broader audience. However, avoid overloading your posts with too many hashtags. Focus on a few highly relevant ones instead. Join niche communities. Many platforms like Facebook and Reddit have groups or communities focused on specific interests or industries. Joining and participating in these communities can help you share your affiliate links with a highly targeted audience. However, ensure that your contributions are valuable and not purely promotional to avoid being seen as spammy. Track your performance. Use social media analytics tools to track the performance of your posts and affiliate links. Pay attention to metrics such as engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This data will provide insights into successful elements and aspects that may need refinement. Adapt to trends. Social media trends evolve rapidly. Remain informed about current trends and adapt your strategy as necessary. As an illustration, if short-form videos are on the rise, you might want to focus on producing additional video content. Staying agile and adapting to changes will keep your affiliate marketing efforts relevant and effective. By utilizing social media platforms strategically, you can amplify your reach, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your affiliate links. The key is to be active, responsive, and adaptable, ensuring that your content resonates with your audience and encourages them to click on your links. Step number 3. Build an email list. Email marketing is still regarded as one of the most impactful instruments in the field of affiliate marketing. It provides a direct line of communication with your audience, allowing you to promote your affiliate links in a personalized and targeted manner. Here's a comprehensive approach to constructing and utilizing an email list effectively. Offer valuable incentives. To grow your email list, you need to entice visitors to subscribe. One of the most effective ways to do this is by offering a lead magnet, something of value that your audience will receive in exchange for their email address. This could be an ebook, a checklist, a free course, or even exclusive access to certain content. Align with your audience's interests. Your lead magnet should be closely related to your niche and directly address a problem or interest of your target audience. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might offer a free meal plan or workout guide. The more relevant and valuable your lead magnet, the higher your subscription rate will be. Optimize your sign-up forms. Make it easy for visitors to subscribe by placing sign-up forms prominently on your website. Consider using pop-ups, slide-ins, or exit intent forms to capture attention without being intrusive. Keep the form simple. Asking for too much information can deter sign-ups. Divide your audience by interests. Not all subscribers are the same, and not all will be interested in the same products or content. Segment your email list based on factors such as interests, behavior, or demographics. For example, if you run a travel blog, you might segment your list by destination interest, like Europe or Asia, or type of travel, such as luxury or budget. Send targeted campaigns. By segmenting your list, you can send more personalized and relevant content, which in turn increases engagement and conversion rates. For example, if you're promoting a travel insurance product, you might target subscribers who have previously shown interest in travel-related content. Use automation. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit allow you to set up automated email sequences based on subscriber behavior. For instance, if someone downloads your travel guide, you can automatically send them a follow-up email recommending related products with your affiliate links. Focus on providing value. The primary goal of your emails should be to provide value to your subscribers. Share tips, insights, and exclusive content that they can't find elsewhere. When you consistently deliver value, your audience will be more likely to open your emails and trust your recommendations. Incorporate affiliate links naturally. Just like in content marketing, your affiliate links should be incorporated naturally within the context of your emails. For example, if you're sharing tips on how to plan a budget trip, you can mention a booking platform as a recommended tool and include your affiliate link. Include clear call to actions. Every email should have a clear CTA guiding your subscribers on what to do next. Whether it's clicking on a link, reading a blog post, or purchasing a product, your CTA should be compelling and aligned with the content of your email. Track key metrics. Use your email marketing platform's analytics to track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. This data will help you understand which emails and affiliate promotions are performing well and which ones need improvement. Test and refine. Conduct A/B tests to optimize different elements of your emails, such as subject lines, content, and CTAs. Testing allows you to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve your email campaign's effectiveness. By building and maintaining a targeted email list, you can promote your affiliate links in a way that feels personal and relevant to your audience. With the right strategies, email marketing can become a powerful tool in your affiliate marketing arsenal, driving consistent traffic and conversions. Step number 4. Collaborate with influencers. The incorporation of influencer marketing is now a fundamental aspect of affiliate marketing strategies. By collaborating with influencers, you can tap into their established audience and amplify the reach of your affiliate links. Here's how to effectively partner with influencers for affiliate marketing. Look for niche relevance. The first step in collaborating with influencers is to identify those who align with your niche and audience. An influencer who regularly engages with your target demographic will be more effective in promoting your affiliate links. Use tools like BuzzSumo, Social Blade, or even manual searches on social media platforms to find influencers who are a good fit. Check engagement rates. It's not just about follower count, engagement is key. A smaller influencer with a dedicated and engaged audience may prove to be more beneficial than a larger influencer whose followers are less interactive. Look for influencers whose followers actively comment, like, and share their content. High engagement indicates a loyal audience that trusts the influencer's recommendations. Evaluate past collaborations. Review the influencer's past collaborations to see how they've promoted products or services. This will give you an idea of their style and effectiveness. It's also a good indicator of how professional and reliable they are when it comes to partnerships. Craft a win-win proposal. When reaching out to influencers, make sure your proposal highlights the mutual benefits of the collaboration. Explain how your product or service will provide value to their audience and how the influencer will benefit, whether it's through a commission, a flat fee, or free products. Be clear about expectations. Clearly outline what you expect from the collaboration. Setting clear expectations upfront helps avoid misunderstandings later on. This could include the number of posts, the type of content such as Instagram stories, YouTube videos, or blog posts, and how your affiliate links should be incorporated. Provide creative freedom. While it's important to communicate your goals, give the influencer creative freedom to present your product in a way that resonates with their audience. Influencers know their audience best, and their authentic approach will likely yield better results than a strictly scripted promotion. Use unique affiliate links. To track the effectiveness of each influencer collaboration, provide them with unique affiliate links or discount codes. This allows you to monitor the traffic, clicks, and conversions generated by their promotions. Analyze return on investment. After the campaign, analyze the return on investment to determine if the collaboration was successful. Compare the cost of the partnership, whether it's in product, payment, or commission, with the revenue generated through the affiliate links. This will help you decide whether to continue working with the influencer or adjust your strategy. Gather feedback. Ask the influencer for feedback on how the collaboration went and what could be improved in the future. Their insights can be valuable for refining your approach to influencer partnerships. Foster ongoing partnerships. If an influencer collaboration proves successful, consider establishing a long-term partnership. Building a strong, ongoing relationship with an influencer can lead to more authentic promotions and greater trust from their audience over time. Offer exclusive deals. Keep the relationship fresh and mutually beneficial by offering the influencer exclusive deals or early access to new products. This not only incentivizes them to continue promoting your products, but also provides their audience with unique value, further enhancing the effectiveness of your affiliate links. Collaborating with influencers can significantly boost the visibility and credibility of your affiliate links. By carefully selecting influencers who align with your brand, proposing mutually beneficial partnerships, and tracking the performance of these collaborations, you can leverage influencer marketing to drive more traffic and conversions. This approach not only expands your reach but also helps build trust with a broader audience, ultimately leading to more successful affiliate marketing campaigns.